Are New Year resolutions a bad idea? Not if you know how to use them. We set New Year resolutions because of the concept of a new beginning or fresh start really motivates us. This is actually a very good strategy, but what matters the most is how you put it in practice. You see, our motivation suffers from a natural process called motivational discount. This means that the motivation we get from something like a New Year event will get lower over time. Starting March or April, gyms get a lot emptier after they were pretty full at the beginning of the year. As poet J. Allen Shaw says in his results poem, don't make resolutions without an action plan. Cause here's the thing, your lifestyle is a collection of habits. The way you look or how much you weigh are the byproducts of these habits. You will not get long-time results by attempting to change the byproducts. You need to really go for the root cause. To set up for success, immediately follow up your New Year resolution with an action plan. Identify the bad habits you need to change or the good habits you need to learn to reach your goals. Choose the ones you are confident you can do and practice them first. This will boost your confidence even more so you can take upon even harder habits to learn later on. Feeling rested after the holidays, people plan for very harsh changes all in one go. But this is not sustainable when life gets hard. So people just quit everything altogether with the classical "I can't do it, this is too hard for me." The critical point here is to not take upon more than you can do on the hardest day of your life. This is usually way less than people estimate, but always remember, achieving a better lifestyle is a lifelong goal. So every successful step you take is a win. I wish you a happy new year and many accomplishments in 2022. Stay fit!